So I want to talk about Zidoo again. This is going to be a very short video about how to install the patch that fixes the scraping issue that a lot of people were complaining about when scraping movies against TMDB. It just wasn't working, it was broken. I'm going to show you how to install it in this video. Let's go check it out. This is my Zidoo right here, and I'm here to talk about an issue that's kind of popped up that's sort of gotten me, a little, not necessarily upset, but disappointed that they haven't come up with a solution yet. Zidoo, for about 2 weeks, hasn't been able to scrape anything. Its connection to, if you go to Unmatched here, let's go to like Den of Thieves down here, and if I try to rematch it, it'll say no related movies or TV shows were found. So there's a problem with the scraping with TMDB for Zidoo, and I've seen that this is a widely reported issue that lots and lots of users have been experiencing. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the new fix that was published apparently on April 9th, I believe. So scouring the Zidoo forums, I found that somebody posted the topic called quick fix release for the poster wall app matching issues. And if you follow, so these are the links to download the actual patch itself. So I have a Z9X, and I also have a Z1000 Pro, and this is the version of the software that I downloaded, and it's downloaded. I already downloaded it. It's in my download folders. It's already here. So I'm going to, obviously, if you have a different version like a Z30 or Z3000 or one of the 8K newer ones, then you would get your appropriate one. But I got that one. So I'm going to put a link to this page in the description, and I will actually put a direct link to the download as well. If you would just want to straight up download each version. I'm going to show you how to actually transfer this APK file over to Zidoo so that you can actually go on the Zidoo itself and install the APK. The way I transferred the patch or the upgraded poster wall to my Zidoo was I did it through my Samba server. I have it set up as a Samba server, and that's if you go to settings, it's in the network, and it's obviously Samba, and you select Samba. You hit Samba server, allow data to be written, and you want to disable password. And it's sort of a pain in the ass to set this up to work with Windows, but I got it to work just fine. Okay, so I'm gonna try to log into my other Zidoo, which is, I think it's a Z9X Zidoo. So I'm going to, this is the IP address. It ends in 209. There you go. So so it challenged me with the username, so I'm going to put in root. I think this is the standard username and password for all Zidoos. You type in 8 8s 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And hit remember and hit OK, and there it is. So when you're setting up your Samba to copy over the file that you need to install the patch, then that's how you do it. So again, I'm gonna go into storage, and then I'm gonna find download. I'm gonna go into my downloads folder and copy over. I'm gonna copy over the patch, and then I will actually show you in my other Zidoo how to do it. I started this video with the fact that the TMDB scraper wasn't working anymore, so I thought, and I'd look in the forums again and see if there was a solution posted, and it appears to be a solution posted. So I'm gonna go to APK installer. I already downloaded the fix. If you go to APK installer, there it is. It's the top one. It's actually called, this is an update to the poster wall, I believe, and it's called, it's 5.0 4.3.4. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to install it. And let's see if this actually fixes the issue. So, and if it does, I will praise Zidoo for coming up with a solution, and I will show you how to get this update. So the install is complete. So let's see if this actually fixes it. Going into poster wall, let's see. Okay, so it's being upgraded, it's doing something. Maybe I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so it came back and it has a completely different look, which is kind of cool. I don't know how I feel about it. It's a little more sleek, slightly more pastel-y colors. I wonder if my sources are back. Okay. Let me go back and let's try to scrape one of these unmatched ones that should have easily been scraped. So I'll go to this. I think early in the video I hit Den of Thieves. So rematch. And it's working! All right, it's fixed. This video is totally changed now because I was gonna criticize Zidoo, but they came up with a fix. That's why I was concerned about being a little too hasty and actually looking for, and actually posting this. I thought I'd go in the forums and see if a fix was posted, and so it was posted, so it's fixed. So let me go into the sources and see if I can scan all the missing stuff. Yeah. I think this one needs to be scanned again. I'm gonna hit update and see if this works. All right, let's see if, yep, I got Dogman now. Awesome, it's all been fixed. So happy. Okay, so I managed to install the APK exactly how I showed you downstairs. There is absolutely no difference. It worked exactly the same. But I'm gonna go ahead and test it on a Z9X, not Dolby Vision. I'm gonna go to my match folder and I'm going to try to scrape, again, Den of Thieves again, or Dogman. I'll just do Dogman. Try to scrape Dogman there and hit rematch, Dogman, and there it is, it worked. And that is scraped. The fix works, so that's all I'm gonna say. Thank you, Zidoo, for doing that. Remember, I have a giveaway going on right now, and I'll put a link of that video up above and in the description if you're interested. If you want to have the chance to win some pretty cool prizes, check out that video. And anyway, if you have any questions about what I did and getting my Zidoo to work again finally, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.